Understanding, to be in a jam, a guide to English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into a very interesting and commonly used phrase in English, to be in a jam. This idiom can be a bit confusing for non-native speakers, so we're here to clear things up. Let's get started. The phrase, to be in a jam, is an idiom that means to be in a difficult, tricky, or problematic situation. It's often used when someone is facing a problem or a challenge that is not easy to solve. This expression does not refer to literal jam, the kind you spread on bread, but rather uses the word jam to symbolize a tight or congested situation. Understanding the origins of idioms can often help in remembering their meanings. The phrase, to be in a jam, is believed to have originated in the early 20th century. It comes from the idea of being stuck or jammed in a place or situation, similar to how machinery can get jammed and stop working. This visual can help you remember the meaning of the phrase. To better understand how to use this idiom, let's look at some examples. 1. I'm in a real jam here. I have 2 meetings scheduled at the same time. 2. Can you help me out? I'm in a jam with my car. It won't start. These examples show how the phrase can be used to describe various challenging situations in everyday life. When using this idiom, remember, it's used for situations, not physical spaces. Avoid confusing it with positive or neutral situations. It's specifically for difficulties or problems. I hope this explanation helps you understand and use the phrase, to be in a jam, correctly in English. Remember, idioms are a fun and integral part of learning a language, and understanding them can really boost your fluency. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video.